Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. I've been doing a little shopping and I thought I would show you guys some new items that I've bought. I picked up this little Stacy Mermaid set from TJ Maxx. It was $9.99. She comes with a swimsuit, a little cover up, the mermaid outfit, a sun visor, a drink, some ice cream, and a little sea turtle. Oh, and some sandals. Her swimsuit top does Velcro in the back. This is the cover-up. I was a little disappointed. It's basically a cover-up shirt. It's not a full like swimsuit cover-up. I think her sandals are really cute. In fact, I'm going to steal them for the other Stacy. Here is the visor, and I forgot to mention she also comes with a little fanny pack bag. The top for the mermaid outfit, it just kind of clips right onto her body. Overall, I think she's really cute, and I think it was definitely worth $9.99. Also from TJ Maxx, I found this little Evie doll. Honestly, I bought it because I wanted the little rash guard swimsuit for the Chelsea doll. She comes with a mask, the swimsuit, some little flippers for her feet, and 3 little sea animals. Here's the swimsuit on my Chelsea doll. I think it's really cute and a pretty good fit. I found this 2-pack of the Mini Brands Mini Fashion at Ross's. It was $11.99. On the first ball, I got a little makeup brush, the sticker, a wallet, and a little perfume bottle. I'm a big fan of this purse. I think it's really cute. In the second ball, we got a sticker, the same blue wallet as we did in the first one, some more perfume, and some little sunglasses. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree. It's a little merry-go-round. I wasn't sure if it would be big enough, but I thought I would take a chance on it. Overall, I think it's a little too small for the dolls. I also found this little fashion pack from the Dollar Tree. I picked up this doll from Ross's. She was $3.99. She was marked down because she was missing a shoe. I really liked her because her face shape is different and I thought she was really pretty. I found this at Target in the dollar spot. As soon as I saw it, I thought it could be used for like shelving in a store or in a bakery. This is what my niece Maddie thinks it should be. I bought this little Chelsea doll at Ollie's. It was $6.99. Her dress does not Velcro. It just goes over her head. She has really cute little pink sandals. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.